Creating budget-friendly woodworking projects offers a remarkable opportunity for individuals to explore their creativity while producing beautiful, functional items without breaking the bank. The elegance of woodworking lies not only in the craftsmanship involved, but also in the ability to turn simple materials into stunning pieces that enhance any space. By embracing resourcefulness and clever design, woodworkers can create affordable projects that reflect both style and practicality. At the core of budget-friendly woodworking is the principle of maximizing value from available materials. This approach encourages artisans to think creatively about sourcing wood and supplies. While high-quality hardwoods can be expensive, there are numerous ways to utilize more affordable materials without compromising on aesthetics. For instance, plywood, reclaimed wood, or even leftover scraps from previous projects can be transformed into elegant pieces. The charm of using reclaimed wood lies in its character, with each board telling a story through its unique grains and imperfections. This not only adds visual interest, but also creates a sense of history and authenticity in the finished product. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of budget-friendly woodworking projects ideas for make money and style your home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The design process is crucial in achieving elegance while remaining budget-conscious. A well-thought-out design can elevate a simple project into a sophisticated piece of furniture or decor. Minimalist styles, for instance, emphasize clean lines and simplicity, allowing the natural beauty of the wood to shine through. By focusing on essential elements and eliminating unnecessary embellishments, artisans can create stunning pieces that are both timeless and affordable. This design philosophy not only reduces material costs, but also resonates with contemporary trends that favor simplicity and functionality. Craftsmanship plays a pivotal role in the success of budget-friendly woodworking projects. Even when working with less expensive materials, the quality of construction can significantly impact the overall appearance and durability of the piece. Attention to detail, precision in cuts, and the careful assembly of joints all contribute to the elegance of the final product. Investing time in mastering basic woodworking techniques can yield impressive results, allowing artisans to create items that look professionally made, regardless of the material costs involved. In addition to design and craftsmanship, the finishing touches can dramatically enhance the aesthetic appeal of budget-friendly projects. A simple coat of stain or paint can transform the appearance of wood, adding richness and depth. Choosing a finish that complements the wood's natural tones can create a cohesive look, elevating the overall design. For instance, a light stain on a piece of reclaimed wood can highlight its unique character, while a bold color can introduce a modern flair. These finishing techniques allow artisans to personalize their projects and achieve an elegant look without incurring significant expenses. Another remarkable aspect of budget-friendly woodworking is the potential for multifunctionality. Designing projects that serve multiple purposes can maximize efficiency and reduce costs. For example, a coffee table can double as a storage unit, or a bench can provide seating and hidden storage. This approach not only enhances the utility of the piece, but also allows for creative design solutions that can adapt to various needs. By thinking outside the box, woodworkers can create elegant solutions that fit seamlessly into any living space while remaining budget-conscious. Community resources and workshops can also be invaluable for those embarking on budget-friendly woodworking projects. Many local community centers or craft stores offer classes and workshops that provide access to tools and equipment at a fraction of the cost of purchasing them. Engaging with fellow woodworkers can foster a sense of camaraderie and provide opportunities for collaboration and knowledge sharing. This communal environment encourages creativity and innovation, empowering individuals to tackle projects they may have otherwise deemed too ambitious or expensive. Online platforms have also revolutionized the way woodworkers access resources and inspiration. Websites, forums, and social media groups dedicated to woodworking provide a wealth of information, from project ideas to tips on sourcing materials. Many artisans share their experiences and techniques, allowing others to learn from their successes and challenges. This sense of community fosters a supportive environment where individuals can feel encouraged to take on new projects and embrace their creativity without the fear of making costly mistakes. In addition to online resources, DIY tutorials and video guides have made woodworking more accessible than ever. These platforms allow aspiring woodworkers to learn essential skills and techniques from the comfort of their homes, enabling them to tackle projects with confidence. By following along with step-by-step instructions, individuals can hone their skills and produce elegant pieces that reflect their personal style. This accessibility empowers a new generation of woodworkers to engage in the craft while remaining mindful of their budgets. As artisans delve into budget-friendly projects, they often discover the joy of customization. Personalizing items not only adds a unique touch, but also enhances their emotional significance. Engraving names, dates, or meaningful quotes into a piece can transform it into a cherished gift or a family heirloom. This level of customization can be achieved at a minimal cost, yet it significantly elevates the perceived value of the item. By incorporating personal elements, woodworkers can create elegant solutions that resonate deeply with their recipients. Moreover, the act of creating budget-friendly woodworking projects can foster a sense of accomplishment and pride. The journey from raw materials to a finished piece, especially when done on a budget, is inherently rewarding. Each project presents an opportunity to learn, experiment, and refine skills, ultimately leading to personal growth as an artisan. This sense of achievement can inspire individuals to take on even more ambitious projects, building confidence in their abilities and expanding their creativity. In making budget-friendly woodworking projects is a remarkable avenue for creativity and expression, allowing artisans to design elegant solutions that enrich their lives and living spaces. By embracing resourcefulness, thoughtful design, and craftsmanship, individuals can transform simple materials into stunning pieces of art. The accessibility of community resources, online tutorials, and a supportive woodworking community further empowers aspiring artisans to embark on their creative journeys. Ultimately, the beauty of budget-friendly woodworking lies not just in the finished product, but in the process of creation itself, a journey filled with learning, personalization, and the joy of bringing ideas to life. Whether crafting functional furniture or decorative accents, the elegance of woodworking shines brightly, proving that artistry and affordability can coexist harmoniously. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked budget-friendly woodworking projects ideas for make money and style your home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.